Crafted for superior durability, Grizzly's new line of drop-forged steel vises, lifts, and anvil are the perfect companions for every project. These 4-inch and 6-inch vises come in 2 options. The fixed base option makes it easy for repeated, consistent clamping, while the swivel base option allows you to adjust or reposition any sized workpiece without the hassle. Each vise can be adjusted to clamp both round and square stock securely. Pair any of the fixed base vises with the vise lifts for the perfect clamping setup. These vise lifts are designed to easily mount to your workbench and feature a gas spring operation to raise, lower, and swivel. These vise lifts can raise up to 7¼ inches. The lever lets you efficiently control the lift for the perfect height. Lastly, the 55-pound drop-forged anvil is conveniently sized with a 56 to 59 hardness rating. This 14 3/4 inch by 3 and 9/16 inch anvil is made to be portable while also being robust enough to stand up to the toughest work environments. Each component in this lineup is crafted from 100% drop-forged steel, which possesses exceptional mechanical properties and static strength compared to cast iron. Sturdy and secure with unmatched strength, Grizzly's new line of drop-forged steel, vises, lifts, and anvil are the perfect upgrade to any metal shop. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.